What's going on, you guys? I hope you guys are having a good day, wherever you may be. Before we begin the video, I want to let you guys know that nothing in this video is financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm not your financial counselor. What you decide to do with your money is up to you. You need to start taking responsibility for your buys and your sells. With that being said, let's get into the video. So, over the weekend, I got into a conversation with a brother who is now in the block in the Telegram chat. Guys, if you guys are not in the Telegram chat, get in the Telegram chat, all right? Ask your questions, share your research, share everything that that you've been looking at in the crypto market, okay? If you guys want to learn, that's the place to go, all right? But so I talked to the brother in person, okay, and I was asking him what his investment thesis was, what his what he's doing right now, because he said that he was trading, and he said that he does Forex and futures. Okay, Forex and futures trading. I'm assuming the brother's in a course of some sort from some Forex trader or futures trader, and he wanted me to, and he was asking me about crypto, and I was explaining to him, my method that I do with my clients and my guys. And by the time the conversation ended, he was pretty much completely sold on both crypto and me to be his guide and his coach. And what I want to do today is I want to explain to you guys some of the stuff that I talked to him about, and explain to you guys why Forex and futures trading is not a sustainable strategy for you in terms of improving your money consistently over time, and why something like my method is more sustainable for most people. Okay. Now, before we begin, I want to say that futures and futures contracts and things are not good or bad. I'm not making this a moral argument. I'm not making this I'm not making this a moral argument, okay? What I'm more talking about is from a practical point of view, all right? A lot of people who, if you guys have ever heard people say, yeah, I trade Forex or I do futures or whatever the case may be, most of the time, you guys, that narrative comes from somebody, selling a course to you, or selling some sort of service, which nothing wrong with that. We're all capitalists here. I'm not going to get mad at anybody for, selling courses and stuff. I'm going to sell courses in the future, most likely. Okay. But a lot of the time, you guys, these guys don't actually make money with futures trading and Forex trading. The leaders of these Forex groups. Okay. How they make money is they make money dumping on you and using you and their audience and their community as exit liquidity. Okay, that's what's really going on. Most of the time that these Forex guys and these futures guys, okay, most of the time that these Forex guys and these futures guys give their audience a position, they're already allocated into it. Okay. And there's nothing wrong with that if the person has long-term conviction and is willing to hold it for a long period of time. But the problem is that a lot of these traders, a lot of these Forex trader guys are not in long-term positions. They're in short-term positions. And then they're looking to get out immediately, and sometimes they can use their audience and their community as exit liquidity, and ways for them to make money. Okay. On top of that, they're paying them in the Discord, which, again, nothing wrong with that. If there's value there, there's nothing wrong with paying for a service that works. Okay. But what I'm saying is that the Forex futures thing is a little bit, it's not the best. Okay. It's not the best situation for you. All right. Now, with cryptocurrency and digital assets in particular, you don't even need leverage. You don't need leverage if you know how to deal with the altcoins. Okay, guys, the reason why a lot of these stock guys and a lot of these traders put leverage on their positions is because their asset classes don't get the pumps. They don't get the necessary returns that they need to offensively invest. And so what they have to do is then they have to borrow money from the market maker or borrow money from the exchange in order to make up for the lack of returns, okay? And in crypto, you don't need to do that, right? You don't need to do that. You get good gains regardless in crypto, whether you're in leverage or not. Now, there are a lot of dangers to leverage, you guys, but in Forex and futures, that's just par for the course, you guys. All right, you're gonna put you're gonna have a futures contract. You're gonna bet on the price going up or down, and then you are going to, in most cases, a lot of these guys get liquidated. All right, a lot of these guys get liquidated because they might have stop losses on or whatever it is. But that's a dangerous game, you guys. Trading is very, very dangerous. Short-term trading is most people get wrecked in short-term trading. All right. Even the best of them get liquidated. Even the best traders lose the majority of the time. All right. Now, it's the same thing for the crypto market. Most people lose money in crypto too, but it's not the same as saying the reason why a lot of people in crypto lose money is because they're not consistent in the market. All right. If you're consistent in the market, you're consistently paying attention for a certain period of time, you will eventually get your lick and you will eventually make money, right? Now, the problem is a lot of people aren't patient. And that's why these Forex futures guys are so popular, because they're selling crack, right? They're selling crack to the audience. I'm not selling you crack, all right? What I'm selling you is a sustainable long-term way to take advantage of an emerging industry and accumulate over time, delay gratification, and change your life sustainably. All right. That's what I'm here for, right? I'm not going to teach you, how to guarantee, get all these returns. I'm not going to do that, right? Now, do I get those? Do I get big X gains? Do I get big X returns? Yeah, I do. I do, but that's not the goal. All right. We're not going to try to force that to happen. All right, it's going to come naturally to us, right? So just some things to think about, all right? There's a lot of people selling Forex and futures courses, and I'm here to tell you guys that is not, a lot of the time those guys are not, a lot of the times they're doing paper trades. A lot of the times they're not actually doing what they claim that they're doing. The Forex coaches, the futures coaches, they're not doing what they claim to be, right? So you guys got to be careful with that. All right, what you're better off doing, I have a solution for you. What you're better off doing is you're better off finding somebody who is niched in a specific thing, such as myself, and use that resource as a way to get involved in an emerging market, and you don't need leverage. All right, I'm going to say that again. You don't need leverage in crypto, especially. You don't need leverage, okay? The gains are enough in crypto where you don't need to put on leverage. You don't need to borrow money from the market maker or the exchange in order to get money. All you have to do is just hold your coins in spot, wait, accumulate over time, pick good picks, know how to do research, and then over time, hopefully you are rewarded. You might not be. Every investment is a risk. There's no guarantee, right? You're throwing money around in the market. You guys better be willing to, that should be money that you're willing to lose. But at the same time, if you guys just do a super simple strategy, you guys just accumulate Bitcoin, ETH, SOL, some solid blue chips. You sell them when they're relatively expensive in order to buy them back when they're pretty cheap. That's a sustainable strategy, you guys. All right. A lot of these Forex and futures guys it's not what they claim to be, right? So you guys got to be careful with those day traders. All right, you guys got to be careful with the day trader Forexes that use leverage and then they claim to be this person who gets unbelievable returns all the time consistently. That's not really the way that investing works, you guys. All right, the way investing works is that you take shots. All right, you do research, you have a thesis, All right. And, some of them work out, some of them don't. Realistically speaking, if you have a competitive advantage in an industry such as the cryptocurrency market, like I do, most likely you're going to pick really good picks most of the time if you know what you're doing and you're coached properly and things like this. Okay. If you kind of know how to look at the market. A lot of people don't even know how to look at this market. So if you know how to look at the market, if you're equipped to look at the market, then you have a massive competitive advantage over everybody else. Right? So just some things to think about. All right. The Forex guys are, you guys got to be careful with them. All right. All right. So I hope you guys have a good day. I hope this message is clear. I hope this message is received well. All right. If you guys want to get coached by me, you guys jump in the Telegram chat, jump in the block. All right. Message me privately. I have 4 slots left. All right. After that, there's no more clients. I'm not taking on any more clients at the moment. All right. Get your bags now, you guys. All right. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on TikTok. Subscribe, like, hit the notification bell on YouTube. Chase your grace on everything. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bless up.